Today I'm going to teach you how to color code records in Airtable. This is a fantastic way to visually organize your data and make it easier to scan through your records at a glance, especially when you're managing projects or tracking different statuses. First, you'll want to head over to your web browser and type in airtable.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Airtable homepage where all your bases and workspaces are displayed. Once you're on the homepage, simply click on the data or base you want to edit. This will open up your chosen base and display all the tables and records you've been working with. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct base, as this is where you'll be applying the color coding. Now look towards the top of your screen where you'll see various options for customizing your view. Click on the option labeled Color. This is the key feature that allows you to add visual distinctions to your records based on specific field values. By clicking this, you're taking the first step toward a more organized and visually intuitive workspace. After clicking Color, you'll need to click on Select Field. This action will reveal a drop-down menu showing all the available fields in your table. The drop-down gives you the flexibility to choose which field you want to use as the basis for your color coding system. For this example, we'll be using the status field. Click on it from the drop-down menu to select it. The status field is particularly useful for color coding because it typically contains different stages or categories that benefit from visual differentiation, making it immediately clear which records are at which stage. Now that you've selected your field, let's start assigning colors to each status value. First, let's try to change the to-do color. Click on the color option next to to-do and select a color that makes sense for tasks that haven't been started yet. Many people choose red or orange for this stage to indicate urgency or pending action. Next, let's change the in-progress color. Click on the color option for this status and choose a different color, perhaps yellow or blue, to represent work that's currently being handled. This visual cue helps you quickly identify which tasks are actively being worked on. And lastly, let's set the done color. Click on the color option for done and select a color like green to indicate completion and success. This creates a satisfying visual confirmation when tasks are finished. And that's it. You've successfully color-coded your records in Airtable, making your data much easier to navigate and understand at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.